How to update PHP version in WordPress. First, check your current PHP version by logging into your WordPress dashboard and going to Tools, then Site Health. The Status tab will show if your PHP version needs updating. Before proceeding, it's crucial to back up your entire WordPress site. This provides a safety net in case anything goes wrong during the update process. Next, update WordPress core, all active plugins, and your current theme to their latest versions. This helps ensure compatibility with the new PHP version you'll be installing. The actual PHP update is typically done through your web hosting control panel. Log into your hosting account and look for options like PHP version or PHP configuration. Select the latest stable PHP version available, which is currently PHP 8.3. After updating, wait about 30 minutes for the changes to take effect. Then thoroughly test your WordPress site by checking all pages and functionality. If you encounter any issues after the update, you may be able to revert to the previous PHP version through your hosting control panel. As a last resort, you can restore your site from the backup you created earlier. Remember, keeping PHP up to date is vital for maintaining a fast, secure, and well-functioning WordPress site. If you're unsure about any steps in this process, don't hesitate to contact your web hosting provider for assistance.